There you go, guys. See the whole thing. Okay, grabbing another tripod. Your view doesn't get much better. That's true. Pretty bright at the moment. A little bit too bright there, so 2.8. 8 seconds open. Wow. Magnificent. Be a bit of a light show, I think, maybe, possibly. Well, right there. That's what we're after. That's what we're after. Shit. Hello. Hello. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, go, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh shit! Whoa! Hope the starling's not taken out. Strong microburst here. Let me make sure I'm not knee up. I want something more interesting to film than this. If I could. If I can actually see me. Maybe see me? There we go. Yeah, that's better. That's better. Wow. Tree comes down or something. Whoa. Hold on. This is actually coming into Warwick. It's not storm sitting, this is storm chasing. This is how it's done. Intensity winds. Hopefully Warwick has power. Microburst winds right here. Just here. Don't be concerned if we get a power explosion, as debris or lines are.
There is power to Warwick. Here we go. And we just lost power to Warwick, north of Warwick. Didn't see a power explosion, but that's certainly a power loss in my book. I don't know if I can get through this. Oh, it's going to be so close. Nice and slow for these oncoming cars. Very slow. In case they need to dodge a tree, down to 50. Okay, we're good. Work your way through it. That's 1.25. 1.25 on how. Just get a measurement. 1 to 1.25 maximum when driven. Continue on. Hill traffic. Okay, right at the edge of the core. For those National Weather Service, God. For those at the Bureau of Meteorology, sorry, have it. For those at the Bureau of Meteorology watching, 1 to 1.25 centimetre hail. That's going to give this person a bit of a lead. Lights on. Watch your way out. Just give me like the thumbs up, like go north. You're in the core. Don't sit here. You're stuck in it for ages. Follow me up, buddy. Come on, let's get you out safely. Let's get you out. Follow me up. You're right on the edge of it. You're so close to escaping. The hail core is going to backfill behind you, and you're going to be it for ages. I just gave me like a thumbs up. Let's go this way. They're terrified. Let's get them out safely. Where's that little thing? Come on. Stay with me. Don't lose my tail lights. So yeah, we're just in front of the leading edge at the moment. So if we can get set up in a nice position, that'd be brilliant. It's a nice high spot.